Did you really think that I'm surprised to see you here? I let you find me. What better place to get rid of you than all the way out here? No messy bodies left behind, no evidence. I was sloppy last time with Roland's lover, and I won't make the same mistake twice. After I'm through with you, I'll find Roland and finish what I started. I knew hiring you was a mistake, but I had to keep up appearances. The damned Order insisted we get you into the picture. I think after I'm done with Roland, Gillen and Greythroat will have to be dealt with. Quite a list of things to do, wouldn't you say? Well, enough of my monologue. Time to feed. Whoa! Do! Die! Ah!
Do you I hope you're here to bring me good news. He's dead? Oh, thank goodness. I feared I'd never be able to leave here, or worse, that he would come for me. I can finally return home. The ironic thing is that I think the Order of the Virtuous Blood should continue its work. Perhaps I'll speak to the others. Yes, I think that the Order will live on. Give me time to make arrangements and meet me in Ceridor's basement. Horrid creatures. I hope we never see one in the Imperial City again. Let us never speak of that abomination again. I'll see you in the Imperial City.
What?
Have pity
Well
on the
met.
old war veteran.
Hello?
Hello.
May I help you?
Yes?
Good news.
Yes? What do you want?
The last of the Daedra have been driven out.
Whatever you say.
So long.
Good day to you.
Can I help you? I don't have time to talk. I have things to do.
Hail, good citizen. How can I be of service? There's evil afoot, citizen, and I've little time for chatter. What is it? Move along.
Hello again, my friend. It's so good to see you again. I've spent a good deal of time speaking with Gillen and Greythroat. They agree that the Order should live on. Not only that, but we'd like to make you an honorary member. If you're ever in need of our services, we'd be happy to provide them for you. In addition, we'd like to reward you with this enchanted ring. Use it well in the fight. The Grey Fox sounds like a dangerous thief. Let us never speak of that abomination again. At least there are a few less vampires in the world now. Well done. But there are more of these creatures that still roam Cyrodiil. If any of our books can help you in the cause of destroying more, you're welcome to read them. Since you're an honorary member of the Order, if you bring back proof you've slain a vampire, we'd be glad to compensate you. Bring back the vampire dust from their remains. That should be proof enough. Excellent. Another vampire has been slain. Here's your reward. Excellent. Another vampire has been slain. Here's your reward. Excellent. Another vampire has been slain. Here's your reward. Return to me when you have slain another vampire, and the Order will gladly reward you. May the sunlight always safeguard your path.
Yes, brother? I'm afraid there isn't much more I can tell you. Perhaps one of our books can answer any more questions you may have. I'm astounded that the very thing we decided to fight turned out to be in our midst. He's a fine man and an honored brother. Vampires are clever, so watch your back.
What can the Order help you with, brother? I'm pleased to call him brother. He was a traitor. Thanks to you, the Order lives on. Long live the Order.
Touching a vampire, or even the corpse of a vampire, can result in infection. Do be careful. If you want to know more, browse our library. Hey, you're the one they call the hero of Kvatch, aren't you? The one that closed the Oblivion Gate and saved the city. Be ever vigilant. Vampires are creatures of deceit.